Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about how to buy Wallet DeFi token on Trust Wallet using PancakeSwap exchange. Firstly, you will buy BNB Smart Chain. Click on buy button and here you will search BNB. Then open BNB Smart Chain and here you can purchase minimum $50 BNB, or you can receive BNB Smart Chain using contract address. Open BNB Smart Chain, click on receive. Here you can receive BNB Smart Chain using contract address or QR code. After receive BNB Smart Chain, then you will click on dApps and go to PancakeSwap exchange. Click on PancakeSwap. After that, you will connect PancakeSwap exchange from Trust Wallet. Click on Connect Wallet. Then click on Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet has been successfully connected from PancakeSwap exchange. Now you will click on Cake. After that, you will open Wallet DeFi Token smart address and you will open Wallet DeFi Token on CoinGecko. Now here you will copy this address and paste here. Click on import. Click on I understand and re-click on import. After that, you will set slippage for effective purchasing. Click on this icon and here you will set 5% slippage. Click on cut icon. Now here you will enter number of token. Then click on swap. Here you can check transaction detail. Click on confirm swap. So here you will approve this transaction. After that, you will add this token customly on Trust Wallet. Go to Trust Wallet. Then click on search icon and here you will search DFGH. Then click on add custom token. Now here you will select blockchain. Click on network and select BNB Smart Chain. Then click on paste. So here Wallet DeFi token is showing. Then click on done. After that, go to Trust Wallet homepage. Now here this token has been successfully added on Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching.